In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate image in Miro. If you've ever placed an image on your board and wanted it angled just right to fit your layout or align with other elements, this walkthrough will make it simple and reliable. First, log into your Miro account and open the board where your image is located. Give the board a second to load so all tools and controls are ready. It can help to zoom into the area with your image before you start. Working closer makes fine adjustments much easier and prevents accidental clicks on nearby objects. Next, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around the image and small handles at the edges or corners. If you don't see those, try clicking once more, or make sure you're not selecting a frame or group by mistake. The goal is to have the image itself highlighted, ready for editing. Now, look for the rotation control. This is a small circular icon or a curved arrow that appears on or near the boundary of the selected image. In many cases, you'll find it toward the bottom left, but it can show up in slightly different spots depending on the element and your zoom level. Move your cursor slowly along the edges until you see the rotate indicator appear. Click and hold that rotation handle, then drag your mouse to rotate the image. As you drag, the image turns in real time around its center, so you can watch the angle change and stop when it looks right. If you need more precision, slow down your movement or zoom in further to make smaller, controlled adjustments. If you overshoot or change your mind, simply undo to return to the previous angle and try again. For perfect alignment, hold the Shift key while you drag the rotation handle. This enables snapping, which locks the rotation to clean, consistent angles. It's especially helpful for getting a perfectly horizontal or vertical orientation. Keep holding Shift as you rotate, and when you're happy with the position, release your mouse first, then let go of Shift to keep the snapped angle in place. That's the entire process. Select your image, find the rotation handle, drag to rotate, and use Shift to snap for precise alignment. With a little practice, you'll be able to straighten images, create dynamic layouts, and maintain a clean, professional look across your boards quickly and confidently.